How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 67 Chevy 2 Nova SS. This is a true SS car. Super cool car, all original metal. It's got a steel cowl hood. Super clean car. It's all the headlight bezels, the grills, bumpers, all in excellent condition. Very, very nice little car. Real straight, flat down the sides. Nice set of Chevy rallies and flat caps. Just a super, super nice car. Original deck lid applique. It's all in excellent condition. Doesn't hardly have any pitting or anything to it. Very, very nice. Rear bumpers obviously been re-chromed. You have to kind of bear with us. It's pretty chilly out today. We're only at about 28 degrees right now. Now the original motor is replaced with an aluminum headed 406 Edelbrock intake, Holly. It's got AFR cylinder heads. It's got power disc brakes. Nice heavy duty radiator. Aluminum. This car was painted several years ago and still looks really good. Paint's real flat on it. Got new front door panels. Dash is all the original in excellent condition. Headliner's real nice, tight. Seats all look real good in it. It's got front and rear seat belts. It's got new carpet. The jams all look real nice. All inside the trunk. Very, very nice. Again, it's all original body panel car, original floors, and it is clean. They moved the battery there in the trunk. Stood up in the engine bay. Got a retrofit AM/FM cassette radio, original center console. Shifter was reworked to work with the 3-speed turbo 350 trans. I really like the interior in these little Novas. The SS interior is super cool. Got all MSD ignition. Nice thump cam in it. Thing just pounds ground. It's got posi rear. It's got a set of Kel-Track bars and subframe connectors. It's I believe it was a 336 gear. Backup lights, everything works. That is a cool car there. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.